right, welcome back to Fox and Friends. Listen to this debate. Teachers in Missouri banned from friending their students on Facebook. A new law going into effect later this month bars teachers from directly contacting their students on all social networking sites. Its goal, they say, to prevent sexual abuse of students. But some critics believe the law infringes on First Amendment rights. We've got both sides of this issue in a fair and balanced debate. Now we're joined by First Amendment attorney Lawrence Walters and attorney and social policy advisor Michael Barnes. Nice to see both of you this morning.
Hey, Clayton. Good morning.
Michael, let me start with you. You think that this is okay? This law will protect students?
Well, more importantly, this law is going to protect the teachers, because teachers have enough to do with their regular duties that they don't need now to be babysitter as well as police officer, parent, 911 dispatcher to the students who want to contact them 24 hours a day via Facebook. So this is a really, really important measure to protect the teachers. Plus, it ensures that any communications that exist between the teachers and the students would be on official emails or otherwise in public, which is, again, to the protection of the teachers. And finally, it reinforces the professional boundaries, that we're not dealing with a peer-to-peer relationship. The teachers are licensed professionals and need to be respected in the community, and there's not 24-hour access to them.
Lawrence, do you disagree with that assessment, that this actually protects the teachers, not so much the students?
I have a couple of problems with this law. Initially, both students and teachers have First Amendment rights to communicate with each other. So when the government starts jumping in and banning an entire category of communication, that's a First Amendment problem. The teacher can decide whether or not to engage in these communications. So the theory that there's some sort of overload that the teacher has to respond to these messages, that is totally under their control. And anytime you restrict First Amendment rights or communication between individuals in a free country like ours, there has to be some compelling reason to do so. And here, there just isn't. The student is not allowed then to communicate with a teacher in a private setting. By banning this form of communication, you're kind of throwing the baby out with the bathwater, getting rid of all the good and the bad and everything that can result from these sorts of communications.
Michael, is it a little draconian, sort of painting all of these children and these teachers with one brush?
No, not at all. We're dealing with licensed professionals, and my colleague, the attorney, should realize that there are restrictions that go with licensure to practice a particular profession. And that includes, for example, not giving your personal phone number out to your students, not allowing them to call you by your first name, and of course, not allowing them to come and sit at your kitchen table, which is the equivalent of when you have someone on Facebook coming into your home. If you get an email on your work account, your school account, it's like someone knocking at your school classroom door. But if you get a message at any hour of the night or day from someone via Facebook, it's like them coming and sitting at your kitchen table. It's completely inappropriate.
Yeah, you know, Lawrence, I get the First Amendment side of this thing, but it doesn't pass the creepy test to me. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that if I hear when my son's in high school or something, or if I had a daughter in high school and I find that they're online chatting with a teacher, it just doesn't pass the creepy test for me.
I think a lot of that just comes from the fact that we're from a generation that this didn't happen. This is a new form of communication between teachers and students, and it's just something that those who grew up, knocking on the teacher's door and sitting down with the teacher in the classroom, that's the only form of communication. We just don't get it yet. But this will be routine communication. This will be no big deal in 10 years. In fact, there'll be other forms of video communication that we can't imagine that'll be occurring. But once you start banning these forms of speech, that's a First Amendment problem.
Michael, do you get the final word?
We have to protect the teachers as well as the students. And again, with professional licensure, we're not dealing with a First Amendment issue. We're dealing with standard issues and principles that have existed for a long time, will exist, and that's really about professional boundaries.
Lawrence and Michael, great debate this morning. Interesting stuff. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you both.
No problem.
Coming up here on the show.